Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily change your email on Spotify. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly download Spotify application on your device and log in with your account details. Open the application, click on your profile icon at the top left corner and go to settings. In the settings, go to account and click on your email. After that, you will be heading toward the edit profile page. Click on email and you can simply change the email now. Once you have edited, simply scroll below and click on save profile. And then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can change your email on Spotify. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.